Okay, I'm very excited to show you the prototype of outdoor backbox for N-SP80 dual station. Okay, it's pretty durable, robust hardware, and backside is like this, so it fits the standard, the can box, right? Of course, it should be sealed. Okay, and let me pull out the station. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, here is the Tampa switch built in, and the back side here is the heater. So it's the perfect solution for the outdoor station with the back box and the heater and the Tampa switch. So everything is in, and the perfectly fit with the N-SP80 dual station.